Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the laptop and removing the battery when possible, because live circuits can be damaged by liquids. Once done, place the machine on a flat surface and protect the screen with a clean microfiber cloth to avoid streaks. Mix 70% isopropyl and distilled water 1:1 in a spray bottle, but do not spray directly on surfaces. Use compressed air from a 2-3-inch distance to dislodge dust before touching any surface. You now clean the outer shell. Dampen the microfiber slightly and wipe along the chassis grain to lift oils and grime, because rubbing randomly can spread dirt. For ports, hinges, and rubber feet, use cotton swabs dampened, not soaked, to reach crevices, making sure no liquid pools. Once those areas are free of buildup, brush vents gently, then use short bursts of compressed air to expel stubborn particles. This prevents dust from being pushed deeper into components. You finish by tackling the screen. Initially wipe with a clean, dry microfiber to remove loose dust, then use minimal damp strokes with your solution only if smudges remain, because screens are delicate. Make sure every surface is fully dry before reinserting the battery and powering on. This prevents short circuits. If you notice streaks, sticky residue, or odd behavior after cleaning, stop using the device and consult a professional. Attempting deeper fixes without experience can cause lasting damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.